In this video, you'll learn how to fix slow Wi-Fi on your Google Pixel device. By following these steps, you will enhance your connection speed and overall browsing experience. Start by checking the connection strength. Ensure that you are within range of your Wi-Fi router. On your Google Pixel, you can see the signal strength icon in the status bar at the top of your screen. If the signal appears weak, consider moving closer to the router. If the connection remains poor, restarting your router may help. A strong Wi-Fi signal is essential for achieving optimal speeds. Next, restart your device and network to refresh the connections. Begin by powering off your Google Pixel. After waiting a few seconds, turn it back on. Once your phone is rebooted, navigate to the Settings app. From there, tap on Network and Internet, then select Wi-Fi, toggle the Wi-Fi switch off and then back on. If you still experience issues, you may want to forget the network by tapping on the network name and selecting Forget. Afterward, reconnect by selecting the network and entering the password. These actions can resolve temporary connectivity problems. After that, check for any system updates and reset your settings if necessary. To do this, go back to the Settings app and scroll down to System. Tap on System Updates to see if any updates are available. If there are updates, install them to ensure your device is running the latest software. If slow Wi-Fi persists, return to Settings, then System and select Reset Options. Choose Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. This action will remove all saved connections and restore your network settings to their defaults. Once you reset, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network by selecting it from the list and entering the password. After completing these steps, you should notice an improvement in your connection speed. If the issue continues, further investigation into your router settings or contacting your internet service provider may be necessary. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.